Welcome, vinyl enthusiasts. I'm Ray Miller, and today we're exploring Pro-Ject's exceptional T1 EVO turntable lineup with 3 models that come in 3 beautiful finishes. Now, Pro-Ject has been crafting exceptional turntables in Europe for over 3 decades. Their commitment to quality and innovation shines through in the T1 EVO series. The T1 EVO delivers true high-fidelity sound without breaking the bank. It's designed for audio lovers who demand quality and convenience. Available in high-gloss black, satin white, or walnut, the T1 EVO's CNC-machined plinth isn't just stylish. It's engineered for optimal performance. At the heart of the T1 EVO is this heavy 8mm zero-resonance blasted glass platter. Unlike plastic or lightweight steel alternatives, it provides a stable, vibration-free platform for your records. Pro-Ject tops the platter with a felt mat to give your LPs a soft landing. The precision motor system ensures smooth, consistent platter rotation. A new, larger sub-platter mounted on an ultra-precise bearing drives the platter via a belt, minimizing wow and flutter. The T1 EVO features a straight 8.6-inch aluminum tone arm. Its one-piece design with an integrated headshell reduces unwanted vibrations for cleaner playback. Low-friction bearings in the tone arm ensure smooth movement and precise tracking across your records. Pre-mounted and aligned at the factory, the Ortofon OM10E moving magnet cartridge features an elliptical diamond stylus, delivering detailed, nuanced playback right out of the box. The T1 EVO offers electronic speed control for easy switching between 33 and 45 RPM playback. Pro-Ject includes their custom-designed, low-capacitance phono cables. These aren't off-the-shelf components, but purpose-built for optimal signal transfer. Now, let's explore the 3 models in the T1 EVO lineup, each catering to different needs and setups. The standard T1 EVO includes all the features we've discussed, and this sleek dust cover with adjustable hinges to protect your investment. Stepping up, we have the T1 EVO Phono. It includes a built-in Pro-Ject-designed moving magnet phono stage. This allows you to connect directly to any line-level input on your amplifier or receiver. Perfect if you don't have a separate phono preamp. Finally, there's the T1 EVO BT featuring a built-in Bluetooth 5.0 transmitter with aptX HD support. Imagine streaming your vinyl wirelessly to Bluetooth speakers or headphones anywhere in your home. You can even use both Bluetooth and RCA outputs simultaneously for ultimate flexibility. With standard phono and Bluetooth models and 3 finishes to fit any decor, Pro-Ject's T1 EVO turntable is an ideal solution for anyone looking for a great-sounding, affordable vinyl playing solution. At Audio Advisor, we're committed to your satisfaction. Our technical support team is always ready to assist with setup and answer any questions about your new T1 EVO. We've helped thousands of vinyl lovers, just like you, get the most from their music systems. To learn more, or to purchase your T1 EVO, visit audioadvisor.com or call us at 1-800-942-0220. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, click the like and subscribe buttons below for more great audio content.